In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and join relevant groups for your industry, your products, or your services. So here we are on the LinkedIn homepage or newsfeed. Up in the search bar, just type what type of group are you looking for. So let's say we're looking for a group of marketing managers. Type it in and press enter, and then you will see you have these filters up at the top here. Select groups, and it will then show you a list of the groups on LinkedIn that has got marketing manager in the title. So you can see there's about 2,100 results, and here you've got the export sales and trades marketing manager, direct selling professionals. And if you want to find out more about each group, just click on the link. You will then go to the group. You can see more information about the group, how many members there are. And if you then want to join the group, you just look for the join button. I've already joined this group, and you click on the join button. Groups will either allow you to become a member straight away, or it has to be approved by the group admin. So you can visit the group and join from there, or if you have enough information here, you can join by just clicking the join button. And you'll see if it says pending, that means it needs to be approved. Once your request has been approved, you will receive a notification on LinkedIn to say congratulations, you are in the group. I trust you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist on other functionality on LinkedIn.